Good morning, students. I welcome all of you to this online class. Today we are going to revise the example sums in 1.1 for your terminal, that is revision exam. Okay, so today we are going to revise the example 1.1, that is from first chapter onwards. We are revising the topic. First one, example 1.1. Evaluate 2 4 minus 1 4. Okay, so if you evaluate in such a case, you have to find the determinants of A. So this is 2 into 2 matrices. Therefore cross multiply the main diagonal and subtract the off diagonal after multiplication. Okay, so now I am multiplying 2 into 4, it is 8. 1 4 is 4 minus 4. So already there is one minus is there. According to the formula, we add one minus, therefore it becomes plus. Therefore our answer is 12. Okay, then next one is about cofactor. How to find the cofactor of the matrices? Find the minor and cofactor of all the elements in the determinants. This is also 2 into 2 matrices. Here minor of 1 is the opposite of main diagonal, that is 3, and minor of minus 2 is opposite to that is 4, and minor of 4 is minus 2, and minor of 3 is 1. Okay, so we are finding the minor. Afterwards we are go to cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but the sign is given to the minor, that is according to the rows, that is minus 1. If I am finding a11 means minus 1 power 1 plus 1, it becomes plus 1. Okay, therefore it gives 3. Okay, the cofactor of minus 2 equal to minus 4, cofactor of 2 equal to 2, and cofactor of 3 is 1. Find the minor and cofactor of each of the element. It is 3 into 3 matrices. Here we are finding the minor. First taking the element 3. Okay, so after eliminating the first row and first column, because element 3 lies in the first row and first column, after deleting it we are getting 2 5 1 0. Then minor of 1 is, if you take the element 1 in the first row second column, so therefore first row second column is deleted, we are getting 2 5 4 0. Likewise we are finding the value of minor 3 1 2 2 2 5 4. Each and every element we are finding the minor as well as the cofactor by giving the sign according to the rows and columns it lies. Okay, so here one note is given. Value of determinants can be obtained by using any row or column. Okay, you may find by way of using a row or column. It may be a first row, second row, or third row, or you may expand the first column, second column, or third column. Whatever it may be, you are getting the same answer. Therefore value of the determinants can be obtained by using any row or column. Okay, this is the important concept regarding the matrices while finding the value of the determinants. Okay, evaluate. Example 1.4. Okay, here they are asking about evaluate. So it is 3 into 3 matrices. So we will take first row or first column, or second row, second column, third column, whatever it may be. We have to take one row or one column, whatever it may be, according to your choice. So I am taking the first row. In first row, elements 1, 2, 4 is there. So 1 into minor of 1 and minus 2 into minor of 2 plus 4 into minor of 3. After finding the minor, we are finding the value as minus 52. We may say it as a determinants of A if you take the question as A. Okay, so let us take the question as A. Therefore the determinants of A equal to minus 52. Okay, some of the properties are given. The value of the determinant is unaltered when its rows and columns are changed. For example, if you are changing the first row and first column, or you may change the first column and second column. So if it is changed like that, there is no change in. So if you change R1, R2, there is no change. Likewise C1, C2, there is no change in the value of the determinants. If any two columns or rows of a determinants are interchanged, then the value of the determinants changes only in signs. So if you changing the two rows of a determinants, then the sign is changed in only in sign. Then here example 1.5. This model sum is deleted for your examination. So we go to the exercise 1.1. Here also they are asking about find the minor and cofactor of all the elements. Here 5, 20, 0, minus 1, all those things are given. So we are finding the minor of 5 by taking the opposite elements, that is 5 opposite element is minus 1, 20 it is 0, and 0 it is 20, and minus 1 it is 5. Then find the cofactor. Okay, the third sum also like that only. So we move on to second sum. It is evaluate. Here I let a equal to 3 minus 2 4 2 0 1 and 1 2 3. Now I am expanding these things. Afterwards we are getting the value of determinants of a equal to 20. The third sum, solve. Solve means nothing but you are finding the value. For example, here x is there, so you are finding the value of x. Okay, by expanding one row. Okay, now we are getting 11 equal to 22x. Therefore, 22x equal to 11 means x equal to 11 by 22. After cancellation, we are getting 1 by 2. Then, example 1.11. Show that it is a non-singular. What is the meaning of non-singular? If the determinants of A is not equal to 0, then it is a non-singular. If it is equal to 0 means it is a singular matrix. Okay. So, the determinants of A equal to 0, then it is a singular matrix. If it is not equal to 0, then it is a non-singular matrix. In order to find the inverse of the matrix, first we have to decide whether it is a singular matrix or non-singular matrix. If it is a singular matrix, there is no inverse exit. That is, if it is equal to 0 means. If it is non-singular, that is, it is not equal to 0. In such a case, we are finding the inverse by way of finding the adjoint of the matrix and the inverse by applying the formula 1 by determinants of A into adjoint of A. Okay, so one note is given. If A and B are non-singular matrices of the same order, then AB and B are also non-singular matrices of the same order. Then next one is about adjoint of matrix. It is very simple to find the adjoint of matrix for 2 into 2 matrices, because here we are interchanging the main diagonals, that is 2 4 is interchanged as 4 2, and the sign changed for off diagonal. Okay, here instead of 3 I am writing minus 3, and instead of 1 I am writing minus 1. Okay, this is the way we are finding the adjoint of A. Then adjoint of A for 3 into 3 matrices. In order to find the 3 into 3 matrices, first we have to find minor as well as cofactor and apply the formula. Okay. Here A inverse, find A inverse. A equal to 2 4 minus 3 2. Then find A inverse. In order to find A inverse, first to find the determinants of A. If it is not equal to 0, then only we have to move on to the next step. Otherwise, we write, if it is a singular matrix, that is the determinants of A equal to 0 means we write it as there is no inverse exits. Here, the determinants of A is not equal to 0, that is 16. So, we are finding a inverse by applying the formula. Since A is a non-singular matrix, A inverse exits. Adjoint of A equal to 2 minus 4, 3, 2. So, A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinants of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is nothing but by interchanging the main diagonal and change the sign of the off diagonal. Okay, we are getting the value like this. Example 1.15. Here also they are asking for A inverse. So first step is find the determinants of A. Here it is 0. 0 means it's a singular matrix. So write A inverse does not exist. Example 1.16. A equal to 3 into 3 matrices is given. Then find A inverse. In such a case, we are finding first determinants of A, which is not equal to 0. So A inverse exit because it is a non-singular matrix, and find the adjoint of A by applying the formula, finding the minor and cofactor. Then A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinants of A into adjoint of A. So the answer becomes, the answer for this sum is written like this. Okay, so for your this week, this month, that is this week's slip test, you are having exercise 1.1 and 1.2. So after revising this link, write the test well. In order to score marks in the test, then only you are scoring marks into internal marks, that is then only we are giving internal marks for you. Okay, students, prepare well, don't waste your time, because you are having your public exam in June. Therefore, prepare well, practice well. Time is gold, so use it according to your plan. Okay, thank you, students.